Hello friends, now we are going to see about the screen recording software OBS Studio. That is, type OBS Studio in the Google. This is the official website. OBS means Open Broadcast Software used to record the screen. This page will appear and these three different options are there for downloading purpose. I have selected this Windows and downloaded and installed in my system. Now I'm going to show that OBS software. This is the software OBS Studio. It is a free open source software. No time limit for recording our presentation. It is an important feature of this OBS Studio. See here, it is blank. No sources are there. We have to select the sources which we need. See here, scenes, sources, scene transitions and control. First we will add the sources. To add the sources, just click this plus symbol. These are the sources available in this OBS Studio. That is like audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture device, window capture. Like this, a lot of sources are available. We need to select which source is necessary for our presentation. Now I am going to select this audio input capture. Okay, and I am making it as default, and again I move for this add symbol. Audio output capture also I need, and okay. Next, this browser display capture I want for my presentation. This display capture is very much important. It will capture what are all the things that appear in the screen. It will capture, that is display capture. One more thing I need is this video capture device. Okay, click OK. This is nothing but if you want to display our face in the presentation, we can make use of this video capture. Okay, see here, this is my screen, that is a display capture, and this is video capture. This video capture is too big, we can adjust and we can keep at any corner. Click here, minimize the size of now I am bringing here I am bringing, reduce the size. Yes, it has been minimized. One more option is there. Go for settings. In the settings, see here, we can go for live stream, output, or audio, video. These are all default, and this hotkey for start recording and stop recording, I have used the insert hotkeys, that is shortcut key, and then I close. Now we will move for the demo. Just I am minimizing it. Now I am opening a document for a presentation. This PowerPoint presentation I am going to record. Here see here in this studio, this start recording option is here, but when we open this one, this is also visible in the screen, that also get recorded. So I am going to minimize this in the tray. I am using shortcut key, that is hotkey I have chosen there, insert key. I am going to use that insert key for both stop the recording and start the recording and stop the recording. So friends, Yes, we will start recording. Now I am going to use the insert key. 3, 2, 1, start. Insert. Hello students. Today we will see about Dr. S. Malcolm Adisashaya Committee 1977 to 78. Before that, we will have a short biography about Malcolm S. Adisashaya. He was born on 18th April 1910 in Vellore, where he has his early education at Uri School and finished his BA Economics at Lyra College in Chennai. Again, I have pressed the insert key. Yes. Now I'm recording. This is the recordings. Hello students. Today we will see about Dr. S. Malcolm Adisashaya Committee 1977 to 78. Before that, we will have a short biography about Malcolm S. Adisashaya. He was born in April 1910 in Vellore, where he had his early education at Uri School and finished his BA Economics at Lyra College in Chennai. Yes, this is our presentation. We can also minimize this video capture. It is too big, so minimize that one. Just I am closing here and moving for our OBS Studio. See here, we have seen how to record a presentation by using OBS Studio. The main features of this OBS Studio are we can use without any internet connection. Even in the offline also we can make use of this. It is a free open source without having any time limit. That is the main option available in this OBS Studio. Okay friends, make use of this software for effective presentation. Thank you.